Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 91 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, I shall be starting on the other door, the passenger's door, when it be an American car. There is, in fact, one piece missing from this pack. We've got the door handle, but we haven't got the mirror piece that should also attach on there. Now, I have contacted Fanhome, and I'm sure that it will turn up at some point soon. Saying that, where does it go? Is this the door that shouldn't actually have it and doesn't got it now? Let me check. Yeah, it's got nowhere for it to fit on the door. I believe this door might not have a mirror, so it probably isn't missing. So ignore what I've just said. They've updated the door and it doesn't have the mirror piece on it, so they didn't need to include it. So this will then go on there as intended, and we need one of these 8M screws to hold that in place. So let's do that. Yeah, I do recall there being something about the door and having to get a replacement door because it shouldn't have holes in it for the mirror. They obviously printed the instructions wrong, as I've got in the corner there, to include having the door mirror part, but there isn't one. So the parts list is incorrect, not me. I haven't lost it. So that's gone in there. Let's put that screw back in there for you. Then we need to fit the door hinge, getting it the right way round, which is that way. That goes in there like so. Metal piece goes on there. Hold that in place. Keeping that in place. Just like that. 2 washers will go over holes there. Get them in the right place. Again, one over there and one over there. And the 2 screws will hold that all together. So there we have a good start on our next door. Get that screw in there again. That on there again. Oh, come on. No, you want to stay there. That's it. So that on there. And when we are completed, I shall tighten those all up and make sure that stays in the right place. But other than that, that is another issue completed and the start on this month's build. I think there is another issue that's just a very quick, easy build. So when we do that one, I shall have a look into the magazine and see what's what. Actually, let me just have a quick flick just to make sure. Yeah, next time we're just putting the frame pieces on, which is probably very easy. And then we're just doing that. That's quite an involved one. And the last one is quite an involved one. Yeah, we'll look at the magazine next time. So for now, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.